Demo of the sort of thing you can ask Claude the AI tool to do. This demo requires a pro subscription with his £20 a month in the UK for monthly rolling contracts. You can do some of this in the free version, but I think you need a pro version to use Claude in Visual Studio. I have been using Claude this week to create some fairly complex 3D printer G-code transformations for a dual-headed Bontech index printer I created with the help of Duet 3D. To test the results, I asked Claude to create me an animator, which it has done a surprisingly good job of. I only initially wanted a 2D animator to check things like head clashes and to visualize the tool moves. It is showing both tool heads fairly well, and the animation itself detects any clashes. Plus, it's very easy to add things in like single stepping through tool changes. We'll hopefully be ready soon to show the real printer again. I'm using Claude to help me merge two G-code streams into a combined single stream. A big advantage of doing things this way is that you can plan and preview all of the moves in advance and don't have to rely on timing loops and flags to coordinate two motion systems.